At this time, would like to present the Medical School Global Community Service Award to Dr. Senait Fisseha. Where's Senait? The Medical School Community Service Award recognizes a faculty member who contributes to the local, national, or global community in an extraordinary fashion. This year we have 3 recipients and also have divided the award into 2 categories, local and global. Our first recipients in the global category is Dr. Senait Fisseha. She is an associate professor of obstetrics and gynecology who has done tremendous outreach in her home country of Ethiopia. Working closely with the Minister of Health in Ethiopia, she is helping to improve reproductive health and family planning in one of the poorest areas of the world. In her hometown of Addis Ababa, she has established an OB-GYN residency program, an internal medicine residency, and a radiology residency program, as well as facilitating Ethiopia's first transplant service, as well as a faculty development and research mentorship program. She received the Ministry of Health's top honor for her contribution to the country's health sector. Recently, she spearheaded efforts to secure successfully a $25 million grant from an anonymous donor to help the University of Michigan begin training doctors in Africa in reproductive health services not available to many women living in remote areas. Please join me in congratulating Dr. Senait Fisseha on the 2014 Global Community Services Award. How are you?
Good evening. Thank you, Dean Willis-Craft. I don't have any written speech. I just flew back from Addis this morning from Ethiopia, but it was only 2.5, 3 years ago that I started knocking doors on many department chairs and many people in leadership position. And it's all because of the incredible support and vision that I received from my chair, Tim Johnson, who could not be here tonight. But Tim has had the vision and the belief that women and the reproductive health services they receive should not defer because of the mere fact that they're located in a poorer part of the world. So he's made it his mission to improve reproductive health, maternal health all over the world. He's been championing that. So I came here for residency about 15 years ago and met Tim, and I said, wow, I found the place. I knew I was going to spend the rest of my professional career here. When I decided to start working in Ethiopia at large scale, I talked to Tim Johnson, who connected me to Joe Kollars, and after that, I think what we have been able to achieve in the last 2 years speaks for itself. But I was knocking at doors from Mike Mulholland to Reed Denick, from Val Castle to John Carruthers. Even Dr. Parkos, I think it took me 2 weeks after he got here. I was at his doorstep and he said, wow, I have not even unpacked yet. But I'm really, really incredibly grateful to this institution and its leaders, to the incredible team of people that I work with in the department, from the faculty to administrators, program managers. Janet Hall is here with me, Mark Perlman, Madeline, who is my program manager, who nominated me for this award, is now a medical student at GW, who inspires me to be a better doctor every day. But more than, all the people who've shaped me is my husband, who I met when I was an undergrad 22 years ago. Yes?
I'm going to speak.
Okay, Helena wants to speak. But my husband is incredible. I go to Ethiopia once a month. We have 4 children. He's a urologist in private practice, and essentially he said his contribution to Ethiopia with me will be to cover the home front and give me the support so that I can do the things I do well. well, he also does not like the airport security and other things that deters him from traveling like I do, but he's been an incredible support who essentially has made his foresight be my hindsight and has been mentoring me and supporting me. So I'm incredibly grateful to him, incredibly grateful to my children who understand my work and value my work and support me, Baruch, Kadus, Fia, and Helena. And I want to thank each and every one of you, the incredible faculty of the University of Michigan who've been tracking with me 10,000 miles to start programs, to teach, supporting me with faculty development and research and in every facet of what we've been doing. None of this would have happened without you. So thank you very much. Can I say thank you?
Thank you.